Hello and welcome. I'm going to be taking you through a quick and easy yoga flow that you can do part of your daily routine, whether that's in the morning or the evening. When you're ready, we'll come through to your easy seated position, making sure that the sit bones are comfortable and at ease. Hands slightly coming onto the thighs or the knees. And we'll begin to take a gentle circle sway. With each rotation of the torso, maybe we go a little bit wider, maybe a bit more spiral corkscrew-like. We're going to take the shoulders over the sit bones, beginning to inhale the arms up overhead. We'll begin to cactus, opening up the chest. Hands beginning to rise. We're going to take a twist, left hand onto that right shin, knee or thigh. Inhale, lengthening. We're going to take that right hand across and then beginning to tuck and round. Shoulders coming over the sit bones. We're going to inhale, cactus. And then we'll take that twist in the opposite direction. Right hand coming over towards that left limb. Taking our twist. Left hand coming across. We'll tuck and round. Inhaling, beginning to open up the chest. Fingertips beginning to rise. Our left hand's going to grab that right fingertip. We're going to take a gentle side stretch over towards the left as I face you. I'm aspiring to mirror. We'll come back through center, taking on the other side. And back through center, releasing the hands down. We'll begin to come through to a tabletop position of all fours. As you begin to arrive in your tabletop, starfish fingers. And what we'll begin to do is we'll begin to take your right leg behind you. I'm not mirroring at the moment. And we'll take a half tiger, gently beginning to lift that right leg. We'll take it over towards the left, taking a curtsy. Now, for a few of you, you might stay right here. Otherwise, releasing that right knee down towards the earth. So it's coming in towards that left calf. We'll let the feet begin to splay out and lean back a little bit, coming into the beginning of cow face legs, releasing the head. We'll begin to come back through, coming through to our half tiger. As we come through to that half tiger, we'll lift that left arm right, exhaling elbow to knee. Extending back out. We'll take that 2 more times, exhaling and rounding. Last round if we haven't started already. And extending. Left hand coming back down, right knee, tucking the toes, downward dog, lifting the sit bones up and back. We're going to take a bit of a wave from our downward dog. So beginning to soften the knees, just enough that they're hovering, and then we'll push back through to our sit bone, letting the sit bones go back up. Waving forward, releasing the knees just to a hover, and then waving back. We'll do that 1 more time, shifting the weight, knees dripping, pressing back. Eventually coming through to your tabletop, releasing the knees. We'll take the opposite leg, so that left leg coming behind you, right hand coming forward. We can stay, maybe we begin to lift. We'll take our tiger, exhaling, elbow to knee. And then we'll extend. 2 more times. And again, elbow to knee. We'll extend to our tiger or bird dog, releasing the right hand, releasing the left knee down towards the earth for a moment. We'll begin to take our curtsy, that half tiger, left leg behind, taking the left leg over towards the right, staying, maybe dripping that left knee down. So the feet are going to begin to go in opposite directions. We'll lean back. Begin to come back through half tiger. We'll begin to release that left knee, coming to sitting on the heels. Now, if this is uncomfortable sitting on the heels, you can come through to your easy seat where we started our practice together. Otherwise, sitting on the heels, hands coming down by our side, we're going to begin to lift. So even if we're in our easy seat, taking the hands behind, we'll begin to lift the knees gently. We're just stretching the front of the feet and the shins. Now for an easy seat, it's imagining it's a little bit of a baby camel. We'll begin to release the knees, inhaling the arms up, left hand grabbing that right fingertips or wrist. We'll begin to tilt. We'll come back through, right hand grabbing the left. And coming through, final cactus, opening up the chest. And then we'll take the arms up overhead and then casually down into the heart. Then beginning to bow the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos, please do. Please let me know how you get on with this full body yoga flow and whether you do incorporate it within your daily routine. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon.